and you. PatACakePatACake, sweet and round, sprinkles and frosting swirling round. Mark it with a letter bright, bake it golden, soft and light. Pat it quick and pat it slow. Watch our little cake dough grow. Flour flying, giggles too. Pat a cake for me and you. Pat your hands and tap your feet. Making cakes is oh so sweet. When it's done, we'll shout hooray. Cake and giggles save the day. Sing along with kids. White sheep, fluffy and fat, wearing a coat like a woolly hat. Nibble grass in the morning dew, with a baba song just for you. Walk to the meadow, skip to the hill, chasing the breeze so calm and still. Tail like a pom-pom, nose so pink, blinking eyes that softly blink. Clouds above and sheep below, fluffy friends in a gentle row. One lies down, the other's not, curled up close in a cozy lap. White sheep, gentle and sweet, with tiny hooves and dancing feet. When the stars begin to leap, the sheep all sigh and fall asleep. Sing along with kids. 6 little pandas jumping in the pool, splashing and giggling, keeping cool. One did a flip and made a big spray. Too much fun, the others say. Jump, splash, wriggle and play. Pandas swimming all the day in the pool so bright and blue. Pandas laugh and so will you. Five little pandas floating on a ring. One tried to paddle, what a silly thing. He spun around and gave a cheer. This is the best time of the year. They made a wave and rode it fast. Their panda giggles sure did last. With floaties, noodles, and water games, they splashed around and called their names. 6 little pandas, what a crew, soaked and smiling through and through. When the sun begins to cool, they'll be back to jump in the pool. Sing along with kids. Splish splash splash goes the water wide. Panda takes a soapy slide with rubber ducks and bubbles bright. He laughs and wiggles left to right. Panda's bath time song, hooray! Washing all the dirt away. Scrub a dub and spin around in the tub where joy is found. He scrubs his belly, toes, and nose, then makes a beard with sudsy flows. The bubbles rise like fizzy cheer. He pops them one by one so clear. Panda's bath time song, hooray! Washing all the dirt away. Scrub a dub and spin around in the tub where joy is found. Sing along with kids. 7 little kittens hiding in a shoe. One popped out and said peek-a-boo. 6 little kittens, snug as they could be. One climbed out to climb a tree. 5 little kittens cuddled near the toe. One tiptoed off, where did he go? 4 little kittens whispered with glee. One ran off to chase a bumblebee. turned her head. One little kitten, not sure what to do, he yawned and curled up inside the shoe. Sing along with kids. The train on the track goes choo 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 through the hills and sky so blue. Puffs of smoke go up, up high like cotton clouds in the morning sky. The wheels on the train go clackety-clack, rolling fast on the silver track. Over bridges and under trees, whistling loud in the gentle breeze. The bell on the front goes ding, ding, ding as the engine rocks and the children sing. With a toot and a turn, it makes its way through rainbow fields and flowers of May. The train on the track goes zoom, 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 racing the wind with plenty of room. And it slows with a happy sigh, waving goodbye as it passes by. Sing along with kids. Little kittens sneaking in the box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside her fur. They curled up tight without a peep. Two little kittens fast asleep. Catchy. Puppy. Two little kittens sneaking in a box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside